We're in Gumasa, no? Glan Sarangani province in Rosal White Sand Beach Resort. So this is a White Sand Beach Resort on the tip of Sarangani Bay. Let's have a close review of this resort. This resort has been in existing for siguro mga 30 years na ang facilities niya. Improved na rin masyado compared before na nandito kami, yung pumunta kami before. Dami na mga cottages, no? Hindi na nakapark yung sasakyan namin. They have their restaurant here. Today is a Thursday, so konti lang yung mga yung mga guest. So, ikot tayo, no, sa facilities. So again, the beachfront is white sand. Ito yung mga cottages nila. It has significantly improved over the years. Although we're booked tonight at Anvi Resort kasi mas modern yung facilities, and we're surprised na dito pala they have developed na rin. Dami na rin mga improvements. We don't have an idea sa mga rooms because we just rented an open cottage na. Yung information is the beach here is better, no, in Anvi. White sand siya. Pasok tayo doon. And we'll have yung coverage on the beach area. Why is it white sand? Pasok tayo dito. Ito yung main building nila. No, the main building is that one, Rosal Resort. Then nakalagay dito, I love Rosal. Ayan. Okay, pasok tayo dito sa loob. Maganda dito, ito what they did dito because I don't know anong klaseng plant to. Ito, this one, no? But parang bigote. You can trim na yung gayahin to.